on 96.6 News, the voice of entertainment. Welcome to KingStyle Auto Upholstery Services, your #1 celebrity designer. At KingStyle, we put your style into play. Today, we're working on a Suzuki van, specifically the 2 front seats. This vehicle arrived with seats that were torn, damaged, tired, and completely worn out. But the owner said, "No more. I want to give these seats a new life." And so I stepped up and declared, "Oh, King, let there be life in these rejected and weary seats." And there was life and a brand new smile. You can watch the full transformation on our YouTube channel, KingStyle Auto Trimming. Oh my goodness, just look at this! A big smile, a complete comeback. Thank you for watching KingStyle Auto Upholstery. We put your style into play.
My love for me will never die. My love for me, ilandelayo thandweni. Ilandelayo thandweni. Izinto ezinhle ziyeza kimi. Ngifuna uthando nempumelelo. Izibusiso ziyeza kimi. Blessings are coming my way.